Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a battery or open up your old iPhone 5 or 5S. Um, First you need this set of screws. I got this for like $8 and I got the shot a little bit better. I got this for about $8 at my local battery store, so you can find them on eBay for cheap, and this same screwdriver would actually work on old Mac keyboards and stuff, so if you'll have a lot of Mac stuff, this will actually be a good benefit for you, because it's the same screwdriver for all iPhones. So, but each iPhone is built a little bit different, so each one takes a different little procedure to open up. So it's been a while since I opened this up, so I gotta find the right screwdriver. I think it was. Let's see. Is this bigger, maybe? So you got these two screws down there next to the lightning port. Focus, why don't you? But yeah, I mean, I have two screws there. Right there and right there. Oh, yeah, way too big. Maybe I something a little bit smaller. Nope. No way. Alright, cool. Found it. So all you gotta do is take these screws out. Be good to put these like on a white piece of paper or in a dish or something so you can find them easier. And forgive the whole wide angle lens thing here for my camera. There's the screws right there, two screws. Now what I did, it comes with this to help you pry it open as well, so I'll show you what to do next. That's why I got this thing, I'll show you why I have it. First you take this, I should put it like that, right above the home button. It's been a while, so that's where this comes in handy. Oh, nice. Yeah, it turns itself on. Great. Fuck. Yeah, press the power button, so it's supposed to do this when it's off. Alright, let me return this off. And no, technically that's not, you don't turn off like that. No. I don't know why people think that. You turn off like that. Okay, now that see how I have this little tool in here? kind of wiggle it down. And this thing is a pain in the ass. I just want to show you how hard it is. It's not hard, but I'll be extra careful with it. There we go. Just wait until it pops open. The rest is easy peasy lemon squeezy. See how it's like opening up there? Like a clam? I just gotta take this thing around the edge. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Oops, out of frame. There we go. Alright, cool. Now there is the internals for your iPhone. Now this is an aftermarket battery that I had to buy a while back. So that's why it looks a little bit different. But all you really need to do is screw these out. I lost a screw there, so there's supposed to be a screw there. Oh, it's a Phillips. Oops, I feel retarded. These are actually little Phillips screws. And the good thing though is these, I think this Phillips head is actually magnetized, so see the screwdriver or the screws themselves magnetized, so they're sticking right to the screwdriver like that. Then all I have to do is pop these little doohickeys out. Ah, screw it. If I remember correctly, supposed to lift that tab up. Yeah, you're supposed to lift this tab up right here. So that actually what connects your battery. See? Yeah, that's what connects your battery right there. And then you have to pull this up. Ah, come on. Fuck. There you go. And this actually helps pop up the battery. It's like a little eject button right there. But this here, that's the battery. That's how easy it is to change. I don't know why. Not easy, but time consuming. There's your battery. This is a 1400 milliamp battery. But like I said, it was a aftermarket battery. So if you ever need to replace your iPhone battery, that's how you do it. And I'll show you the reverse way I have put it in. It's pretty simple. Look at that. I mean, the battery takes up. Look at that. Oh, that's the back of the phone right there. So there's nothing behind that. That's the whole phone right there. All the chips and everything. Your earphone, your microphone, or lightning speaker, microphone. So amazing. Oh, there you go. Yeah, all your little connections and speakers, microphones on the bottom. So pretty awesome. Now all I have to do is plug this back in. See, right now it's unplugged. Sorry I can't zoom in. I haven't figured out how to zoom in with my action cam. So let's see here. This goes here. No, it does not go there. Oh shit, I hate when this crap happens. I want to do this little number right here. So that piece of crap doesn't keep sliding around. Oh jeez, yeah, oh, lovely, go figure. Let's set that down for just a quick second. There. Be extra careful because my... Oh, fuck you too. Jeez. Really? Be a retard with me now. Oh, nice. Jeez. Alrighty, well, you get the idea. I'm not going to waste any more time, but in order to put this back, you put that little heat sink, or that barrier first. And you put that on top, you'll see a little groove. And when you put it back together, make sure it all clicks and put your screws back. Just reverse steps. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.